Miami, get ready! It's the Easter SK weekend, celebrating their first year anniversary. 3 days, 5 exclusive parties. Come on, come vibe to your favorite DJs and celebrities. Hosted by Trabass.
You don't know what Trabass, your host / ambassador for Easter Escape Weekend, first anniversary.
Kicking off the weekend with a bang. Friday, April 15th, it Sips, the ultimate Caribbean cooler party from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. Dress code sexy bikini beachwear. Then on Saturday from 4 to 10 p.m. it's Easter Breeze Spring Chick. Dress code Easter colors. And on Sunday, April 17th from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. it's Serendipity, the breakfast party. Dress code all white with a splash of yellow. And from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. Flourish. Dress code upscale. And ending the weekend with a bang. Flotilla, all white super yacht party from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. Dress code all white yacht club chick. It's the first year anniversary of Easter Escape Weekend Miami, April 15th to the 18th. Get them tickets on Easter Escape Weekend Miami 2022.eventbrite.com.
Alright, vloggers, so me just reaching and me a hurry up for bed right now for the party. Shower run, toothbrushing on, and thing. Yo, no lie, that day kinda hectic. Nah lie. The amount of up and down me I do, Jesus Christ, I know me I go all the way to Miami. So here we go. I go hold up fresh, and me I link on the back when me done, you see me? So, soon chat to you. So yo, me the one to get ready with me vlog, but 2 time ago, 6 up now, 6:03. So me I try to hurry up. Go link with Okim Alfred, aka Alfred. We go link with Alfred right now. Me and Alfred I drive go up. They go link up with some more people. Some faces on probably know too. Kinda look good still, and I look like somebody sugar daddy. Slippers me a beat, you know, catch it. Open toes. I'm outside. yo, vloggers, so what go on, you know over there. Alfred in the car. You want to check out Alfred new talk. Yo, I be a things that go on. While we are driving, I go catch up because we kinda late right now. You see me, but Alfred in the building. The girl them Alfred. Yo, I know a long time I don't see him. I see someone ask Alfred. Alfred is here. Alfred has been working. You know, see things are going for Alfred. This new net still have a new talk cent in there, you see? Multi-million, my millionaire now, you see me? I'm a thing, man. So, we're going to show out right now. Link on the back, look more. If you ask if a man in a car.
No man not in
ooh, you look
car.
good, my friend. Hot. Watch us here next Sunday over there. So, you know, hot, so. You not going with me? Yeah. Alright, you not going with me. Alfred, they're going in with us. So, me and them are rolling a party together, you see it? Yes, we're gonna have fun today. Alfred right there. We're gonna have fun, you see the little igloo? I don't know what is in it, but I'm walking with it. Same way. Ooh, check out the mics. You search me? Did I? You search me already.
You sure?
Yeah.
I don't think so. You
huh? For the liquor them, that's why.
You came back up for the liquor?
Yeah. No, the but they suit they something we want to take off.
How you looking at Shane saying?
Alright, so we in the party right now, it's my thing. Well, we're not really reach it. We got Alfred here. Let's end the pizza game, you see it? I don't forget the name, I already know. What the fuck now, I'm at this. Dum. And we're back, guys.
Oh Only a little.
Alright, a little bit. Let me see where I'm out there. No, she have to wait. She have to wait. Yeah. Come here, come here. Bumbaclaw, me not get him. Fuck, me not get him. Bumbaclaw.
Here's Johnny.
Party lit.
This is Sims people. You know it's in garden. Chunkulo.
Don't bad to me.
Cry to God. Cry to Jesus. Bring it, gentlemen. You know along the real bad man, them want dance and can't dance. Oh, come on.
I feel bad. The return of what? In talk. Yeah.
Do I see who over there go close to the door? So we say, honey, you look up and out of the room.
Don't tell.
Every time you come up, say your palm body down. Don't sit up, girl. 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 Every time don't sit up, put your body down. If you're fucking, don't sit up. Don't sit up, no, bounce for the day. Bounce, girl, bounce for the day. Bounce, girl, bounce for the day. Bounce, girl, bounce for the day. Every time don't stop, manage it. So manage it. Manage it. So manage it. Manage it. So manage it. Put it on one side. Even up every time on one side. On one side, yeah. Guys, on one side, yeah.
No, we lost her slippers and she can't find. She a look for her slippers. Where your slippers? In jump. Where your slippers? Yeah.
I don't know if she never realized what.
Where your slippers? She lost it? Jesus Christ.
Everybody give me one foot down.
I don't need to hide him though.
So yeah man, I'm mad thing, the party just done.
The after party, Villa Lodge.
The party just done. The party just done. Right now we are leaving. Them him and talk, but you love me. But party just done. We are leaving right now. You got bed. You got a bed. We are going. After party. So all the people probably go after party. Up in me G, and me man, and me. Yo, we dog in that party, you want to say you are Trabass. Live. No, me not live. We have video fever. Yeah, video fever. Yeah. So I'm here with a fan, you know. She support my videos and stuff. We just did a walk back and she here, you see me? I'm about to snap a picture real quick. I'm here, so because I'm in that cake.
Yo. Oh my God. Okay, let me get my phone now.
Okay.
Me talk to
Yeah. Me have to catch all of this. Alright, me hide it. Me not put on no face.
No, man.
Alright, see that talk. What you say? Me have to hide this. Evidence. Don't want to kill me. Me glasses. Me have a video. This up want to kill me.
No.
One after. Where you
Sit down on the corner.
So right now, outside party, I be a niceness. I go and meet and greet with fans, you know. I'm mad thing, man.
Okay.
This nigga lit as fuck, yo.
Can I get a picture?
Yeah. Niggas trying to clown man, now it's 12, bro.
That bitch look like
My Jesus slide. Bro, I look like an Asian dad, bro.
After Amistad got his shit chopped off, nigga, he bought those, nigga.
Nigga. Me and Jesus was the first nigga with this, bro. Don't style my shit, bro. Bro, my shit cost... Bye, drive safe.
Bye, drive safe.
My shit costs more than everything right there, bro.
That's a lie.
Them shits look like you.
Bro,
My nigga, that's
bro, that easy. Kanye mad. Kanye is a crazy nigga. We don't rock that nigga. My shit still fly.
Hey,
I'm in my leopard.
hey, my nigga look like Cousin Skeet, dog. Like he finna jump outside and do that. It's
My nigga.
Friday again.
My nigga.
It's Friday, Sunday.
You trying to stand me, bro? You look like a Q-tip, bro. Don't play with me.
I think she knows some other thing. She fuck man, you know my gun, you fall like him. Yeah, and watch him man gather green. Every black man a king.
So, vlog girl, I'm on thing. We reach a Oki me hard now. So, me take a shot at Casamigo before me left. Me nice. Oki right there. Now, me have to go drive home. Me have a little good, little. Yeah, man, not bad. But me can drive. You don't have to fret about me. Say, Andrew don't drink and drive. If me never good, me take a Uber. Trust me. They know me stay. Me lit. This a regular me. We just start showing you how everything I go on now in our life. So me have to show you know this funny vlog. Alfred step in a truck a while ago when we come back, you know, me say, Jesus, pray for me. Y'all tell God, pray for me. Alfred, look more. Look more here. We don't know where Alfred live, so.
Gotta tell him, say it's a turbo diesel right now.
Here you know, I be a fuck. Look more, man. You see it? Me have to watch me a step. Keep the boss all I install step in a driveway. Me say, big man, you know, me proud of me in house and in truck.
What you mean?
New truck. So, everybody, we going home. Catch you back when I reach home. Oh, Mickey. Pussy clad. Here we go. Choppy line. Alright, look more. Yeah, man, I'm put on my seatbelt. Look, may I text you? Alright. 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 Cause you must feel like you're my girl, but make it home safe and call. Come, Kiara, come. Alright, look more. Yeah.
My mother used to say, yeah, watch out for bad mind friends. Yeah. And daddy did used to say, watch out for people when not used to things. What them used to say, adapt me used to them. People can't change, so me not change them.